Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about arrays in Java, especially 2D arrays, multi-dimensional arrays, and jagged arrays. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more coding tutorials. First, let's quickly review what is an array. An array is a data structure that holds a fixed number of values of a single type. It helps us store multiple values under one variable, making it easier to manage and access. And now I am going to show, like I am going to draw what are 2D arrays. Like if you take a box, these are the rows and these are the columns. As you can see, in this we are going to, this is, sorry, wait, let me draw again. So as these are the rows, these are the columns, and these are the rows. This is a 3 into 3 matrix. And the next one is three-dimensional array, which it has inside a box like this. It has everything. So now I am going to explain about the 3D arrays. A 3D array is an array of 2D arrays commonly used for simulation games or 3D matrix. The syntax is, I am going to explain via code. As of now, I am going to explain through PPT. And the multi-dimensional array is an array of arrays commonly used to represent matrices or tables. It is example, it is a 2D array. And the other one is jagged array. A jagged array is an array of arrays with different lengths, useful when rows having varying number of elements, as we cannot tell how many rows, like how many elements are there in an array, then we are going to use it the jagged array. And the practical usage of, like I am going to tell, the next thing is enhanced for loop. Enhanced for loop is the simplification of a loop. I'm going to explain that in the Visual Studio codes. And the practical usage is, they are used for multiple dimensional arrays or used for data tables, matrix, and image processing. Enhanced for loops, iterating through arrays and collections. Jagged arrays representing sparse matrix or variable length data. 3D arrays are used for simulations, 3D games, and scientific computations. Now I am going to my Visual Studio Code, and there I will explain you more about these all which I have explained now. Hey everyone, in yesterday's lecture, in the before lecture, in the array in the Java, this is one of the way to define an array, or we can define as int array1 equal to new array or new int of, we are going to declare the size in this. We are going to use this when we don't know the values of this. We can declare like this of 0. So this is the manner, like, and now I am going to explain about the 2D arrays. So now I am going to comment. So now I am going to tell about the 2D arrays. Int array equal to new int 3 comma 3. So now I am going to insert the value such as 0 comma 0 1 2 3 4, like this. And now I'm going to print the values. Int I equal to 0, I is less than 3, I plus plus, and for int j equal to 0, j is less than 3, J plus plus system dot out dot print, like we are going to print in one line, like as you can see I j. Now after everything we are going to use, we are going to go to next line, such as system dot out dot println. As you can see, if I run this code, hello, now I will get as the output 1 2 3. If I write here only the system dot out dot println, you can guess the output, like I will get the output as 1 2 3 4 5 6 in the line, yes, like this. So now than this we are going to use, so now I am going to use the, now I am going to use the enhanced for loop, like I am going to tell you what is that. So if you take same thing for int I equal to, not I equal to, I column arr, you can see for, as it is an array we must give the square brackets, and inside this we are going to declare int j of I, system dot out dot print j. Even though we will get the same output, as you can see, I am going to run the code. One second, it is still, because now if I run this code, see, as you can see, I am getting the same output as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So the I integer is taking the variables of, and this for int of j, it is taking the variables of j of I. This I of variable takes the values such as 1 2 and 3, and same as it is. Now I am going to show that off. So now I am going to tell about the 3D arrays. Same, we are going to add here this part, that's it. So 3. Now I am going to use a math function. It is none other than math.library, math.random, like for int k equal to 0, k is less than 3, k plus plus. As you can see here, I'm going to use, here I am going to take a value of int n of, which is used to store the variables, like now here n of I comma n of j and n of k is equal to int Math.random. It is a function, it is used to print the random numbers. So now here, as you can see, now I am going to do system.out.println. As you can see, n of I of j. So as you can see, we are getting an error. Just I have taken the variables. Now I am going to print now. Will show as you can see. Now I am going to print the values. I may get an error because I haven't mentioned this. I have to mention that the size of the n value. As you can see, now I am going to run this. I am getting the value error as I have got a value syntactical error. It is telling to delete the token, and now I am going to run. See, we can get an output as 3 into 3 into 3, total 27 values. As I haven't mentioned here, system.out.println, so that's why we are getting like that. If I'm going to print, see, as you can get in a line wise. I don't know why I am getting this, but again, even though I'm getting exactly, I don't know what is the error, but Math.random is used to get a random value. And now I'm going to tell about the jagged arrays, and it is nothing but if you take a 2D which has 3, and you will have mention about the arrays length of row but not the column. So ARR of 0, we are having how many values we shall keep, like we shall keep 2 values, and ARR of 1 we shall have 3, and ARR of 2 we will be having only 1 value. So now if we are going to take ARR of 0 comma 0 equal to 1, I'm going to generate the random values like this. Now I am going to print the values. This is not required now. If I'm going to run this code, I will get the values as 1, 2, as you can see 1 comma 2 in the same thing, and 3, 4, 5 in the next line, and only 6 in the second. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I think I have covered most of the concepts of an array. If I haven't covered, I will try to cover it in the next videos. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.